Hey there, my friends. Turner C here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about why selling digital products is hot right now. You probably have been seeing all over your social media feed, everyone is selling digital products. Is this just a fad, or is there a legit reason why everyone is selling digital products now? And I also want to talk about saturation. Is the market saturated or going to be saturated with digital products? Stay tuned because that's what I'm going to be talking about. So let's dive right into it. If you don't know, I'm Turner C, and I make videos on making money online and with digital products and digital marketing. My quick story is that I work a 9 to 5. I'm a caretaker to my mother who has ALS, and I use digital products and digital marketing to make money from home, and I show other people how to do the same. So that's my quick story. Now let's get right into the topic. So we're talking about digital products, why you're seeing it everywhere, and is it saturated? Now, here's the thing. One of the reasons why you're seeing it everywhere, I really believe that COVID set us up for this. First of all, there started to be a digital product explosion during COVID. Many people were home. They were their jobs were shut down. Their whole life was really shut down, and they were looking for ways to get better, to become better people, better wives, better husbands, to learn new skills. They were looking for new ways to make money from home, right? So people were buying courses left and right. It started during COVID. Okay. Now, fast forward to today. People are still interested in digital products. It has not gone away. In fact, Forbes magazine has written several articles in the last year about the explosion of the digital products, digital marketing niche. What that means for people like me and you is that there's opportunity galore. It doesn't matter what you want to bring to the marketplace. There is an opportunity for you. It doesn't matter if you're a nurse and you want to make ebooks and e-guides for nurses. You're a mom and you want to make tips and provide things for moms. If you're a digital marketer and you want to provide training and tools for digital marketers, there's an area for you, no matter what it is that you want to do. The other thing to know is that in terms of saturation, there's no such thing in the digital marketing space. Why that is because there's millions of people, actually billions of people online every day. In fact, on Instagram, there's billions of people online. YouTube, pick a social media platform, even the marketplaces like Etsy, etc. So no matter what digital product you want to sell, there's always an audience and a place for you to sell it, okay, and to transact money from it. Now, two things that I want to talk about. If you are a person who you want to get in the digital product space, but maybe you're not a creative and you're like, I don't want to waste time creating digital products. I would rather sell somebody else's already created digital product. Well, the good thing is that there's so much opportunity for you to do that as well, to sell somebody else's already done for you created digital product. It could be a course, an ebook, a template, and you can sell it to other people and make money from it. Okay, so if you look in the link beneath this in the description beneath this video, you will see a link to the digital product that I recommend that other people learn from, grow from, and become better digital marketers and are able to sell digital products. And they could sell this course as their first digital product and make good money with it. Okay, so that's the thing to know, is you don't have to create your own product. You could sell someone else's digital product and get going. Okay, maybe down the road, then you'll create your own digital products. And the good thing is the course that I recommend will teach you how to do that too. So that's one thing to know. You don't have to create your own digital products. You can, but you could also resell other people's digital products as your own and get out there and begin to make profit. Okay. The other thing to know is, I lost my train of thought real quick. But I was talking about being able to sell someone else's digital products and get going and things like that. The one thing that you do need to know is, if you choose to do anything in a digital marketing space, you need to know how to market. Okay. Now, marketing isn't hard. It just means that you have to be consistent. You have to pick a platform and you have to have a strategy on that platform. So if you're on TikTok, you got to have a strategy on TikTok. If you're on YouTube, got to have a strategy on YouTube. Pinterest, Instagram, doesn't matter what platform you're on, you have to have a marketing strategy. What happens is that a lot of people get stuck in the creator mode. They become creators. They create digital products. That's the easy part, going into Canva, creating something. But then when it comes to actually getting people to buy it, they don't know how to do that part. They have no idea what to do, how to brand themselves, how to market that thing. They have no idea. The beauty of what I'm recommending that people get, link beneath this video, is that it teaches you that piece. And what happens is that a lot of people, they get one part of the puzzle, they don't have the other piece, and then they start struggling. You don't have to struggle when you understand that one of the biggest missing pieces is you have to understand how to market. Okay? And you have to have your system set up the right way. So what I love is that the Roadmap 3.0 is very detailed and goes over how to set your systems up, how to get set up quickly, and how to get out there and to market your business. So that's that. Just know that there's so much opportunity in the digital marketing space. It's not saturated. You don't have to create your own products. You could leverage someone else's products until you feel comfortable creating your own. Or if you never feel comfortable, you could always just keep selling someone else's digital products, right? And that's that. And you could, especially when they allow you to have master resale rights and you get to keep 100% of the profit, then you good. All right. There's so much opportunity. There is no lack in digital marketing. It's one of the fastest growing industry. I encourage you to go look at Forbes and the last couple articles that they've written about the explosion of digital marketing and digital products. It's not going anywhere. It's growing. So you should be in on this market. It is one of the best ways to be able to make money from home without overhead, without putting out a whole bunch of money, in a legitimate way, providing tools, training, resources, e-guides to people who want the information that you have. Okay. So that's that. If you want to learn how to do all of that and put all that together, link in the description. Thanks for watching. Smash the subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.